Hey everyone, it's Murray Fife here, Principal Technology Specialist here at Microsoft and Global Black Belt. So yesterday I was talking to one of my colleagues in Australia, uh, Sergie Vlasov, and we were talking about some things related to work, and then eventually we sort of changed gears when we were talking about OBS, and he gave me the best tip for presenting the OBS content on Teams meeting, and it was just brilliant. It's the ability to go out and use the virtual camera inside of OBS as the source for the presentation, not for the source of uh, the video that streams, that shows yourself like I'm doing here, although that's what I'm actually doing right now, but as the source for the real presentation. So when rather than screen sharing, it just streams the information out, and apparently it's a lot more efficient. So I thought I'd create a quick video and show you all how to do this, because it's pretty cool, and I think it's a good presentation technique, especially inside of Teams and probably Zoom and some of the other things. So let's take a look at how you can do that. So let's look at how I do this normally. So I've got my presentation here running inside of OBS, and what I'd normally do if I was going to present this is I'd go out and I'd go and say I want to create a full screen projection, and I'm going to put that on my main screen that I have. And so this is actually what I'm presenting. And then if I went over to Teams, so let me find my Teams meeting, then I'd go out and I'd do a share, and I'd do a Windows share and choose the full screen projection. Now that has a couple of downsides. That it will record what's in there, but also it sort of hides my sharing screen along the way, and I have to uncheck from that and then go back into the meeting. But if, for example, I've got inside of OBS, I've installed my virtual cam, then we've got I've got my virtual camera working, and it started, and it's called OBS camera. Then what he told me is that rather than going and sharing a screen and having that screen up and running, there's actually this new feature here, which is to share content from the camera. So if I click on that, then I can choose the video, and then I can find my camera that I've got. So not my main presentation camera, but the one that I'm using for for OBS, and then I can share it. And so now it has a couple of benefits. I can actually now see what I'm presenting. And if I make any changes here, then I'm going to see that on the screen. And if I go slideshow, if I select the slideshow here and then switch it over, then I can see actually everything that's going on. So the presentation works a lot better. And if I then click over, let's click over to my demo box, and then again back to my tablet, then it's actually a better way of demonstrating or sharing the screens. And I thought this was amazing. So that was pretty cool, and I thought I'd just share that with everybody. It'll probably make some people's demonstrations just a little bit better, and also give you a better way that we can go out and manage our content as we're doing our presentations. So that's pretty much all that I wanted to show. So I'll just stop and finish from here. And if you like this, then if you're on YouTube, then just go and say like it. I need to get my content a little bit higher up in the rankings. And also, if you like what I'm doing here, then click the subscribe button, because it really does help me, or maybe it'll help me one day when I get enough subscribers. So have a great day, and hope everyone liked this.